Do you want to know how you can add students on your Duolingo account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add students if you are a teacher on Duolingo. So, the first step is to download the Duolingo, and you must have Duolingo Plus. After you have applied as a teacher, what you can do is open Duolingo and go to your profile. Then go to settings and click on Duolingo for schools. Now what you need to do is enter the code shared by your teacher. This lets your teacher see your progress and assignments and control your account on Duolingo. So you must write down the code which is sent to you by your teacher, and after you send the code, add the code over here, and this way you can add students easily on Duolingo. I hope this video about how you can add students on Duolingo was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.